Hey, my name's Polly, and today we're gonna test out this new Scout Jaeger. Super excited about this. We're gonna go up some really cool trails today here in Bountiful, Utah, and should be a blast. What a beautiful day to be up in the mountains taking a ride, and on this new Scout Jaeger. I mean, this bike, it's pretty cool. I mean, for the first time ride, this is a cool bike. Some of the features that I really like right off the bat of just riding it is the new roll-off hub right here. I mean, this thing is a game changer. All your gears are inside, so you don't have a derailleur right here to hit rocks, brush, sagebrush, anything that can knock your derailleur off, that can injure your ride or make you having to walk your bike back to wherever you rode it in at. So that is a really cool feature. Has this really cool on-demand shift right here. All you gotta do is just let off the power or pedal and just shift right here. One of the other features that I really like about this bike is the low step over right here. After a long day of hunting and your heavy backpack on, stepping over, it gets tiring. And I really like how the battery's enclosed. Nice, sleek look, protected from the weather. It's not as bulky. It looks cool. The suspension going downhill, just a nice, smooth ride over the rocks and everything like that. Overall, this bike, it's pretty sweet. It's a cool, I think it's like, you can hunt on this, plus you can do a lot of like downhill trail riding, stuff like that type of stuff with it as well. So pretty cool bike.
Weather doesn't dictate my hunting. I hunt in everything from sweltering August heat to sub-zero temps in the dead of winter. Whether I'm chasing antelope and mule deer under a blazing 100-degree sun or pushing through snow and bone-chilling winds after whitetails, one thing remains constant: my Bakcou mule. Why the mule? Simple. It is a workhorse that thrives in every condition, just like me. This fat tire electric bike is built to handle anything you throw at it. I've tested it in the harshest environments and it's never let me down. At the heart of the mule is the ultra mid-drive motor, known as the diesel engine of fat tire e-bikes. With its heavy-duty all-metal gearing and advanced torque sensor, this motor delivers unmatched power and performance, getting you and your gear wherever you need to be. The mule isn't just about power, it's practical too. Light enough to be lifted and maneuvered when necessary, and when the temps drop, you can simply remove the battery so that way you can charge it indoors, ensuring you're always ready, plus you can have a spare. With a load capacity of 300 pounds and the ability to meet all 3 e-bike classifications, it's the ultimate tool for serious hunters. So if you're ready to hunt smarter, not harder, take a Bakcou mule for a spin. You'll get in and out of your spots faster, reduce your scent trail, and minimize exposure to the extreme temperatures, keeping you in the field longer and making you more effective.